This Koios Smoothie Blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify your smoothie and shake-making process. Featuring advanced technology and thoughtful design, this personal blender is perfect for those who want to enjoy nutritious beverages and meals quickly and easily. Here's a comprehensive review of this blender, highlighting its key features, performance, and benefit. At the core of the Koios Smoothie Blender is its 900-watt motor, which provides peak power to handle a variety of blending tasks. The upgraded all-copper turbo motor operates at 23,000 RPM, delivering fast and efficient blending. This high-speed performance allows the blender to effortlessly crush and frozen ingredients, turning them into smooth, nutrient-rich shakes, smoothies, and even baby food. With its pulse technology, the blender ensures that all ingredients are thoroughly blended with a simple press of a button. The Koios blender is equipped with an upgraded stainless steel 6-leaf blade assembly. These 3/4 stainless steel blades are designed for durability and precision, making it easy to blend even the toughest ingredients. Whether you're dealing with frozen fruits, vegetables, or ice, the blade assembly ensures a consistent texture every time. The detachable blade assembly can be easily removed and cleaned by simply rinsing with tap water, making maintenance a breeze. One of the standout features of the Koios Smoothie Blender is its portable design. It comes with two 22-ounce blender cups and 2 to-go lids, making it easy to blend and take your drinks on the go. The cups are designed with no-BPA materials, ensuring that your beverages remain free from harmful chemicals. The portable hooks add extra convenience, allowing you to carry your drinks to the office, gym, or anywhere else you need to go. This makes it an excellent choice for those with busy lifestyles who need a quick and healthy option for their meals and snacks. Safety is a key consideration with the Koios blender. It features a safety mechanism that ensures the blender only operates when the mixing cup is properly pressed down. This prevents accidental spills and ensures that the blender is used correctly. Additionally, the blender is equipped with a cooling fan on the bottom and back to dissipate heat quickly, which prolongs the motor's lifespan and maintains optimal performance. The 4 non-slip silicone pads on the base keep the blender stable while in use, preventing any unwanted movement. After blending, cleaning is straightforward as the cups and lids are dishwasher safe, making post-blend cleanup quick and easy. The removable blade assembly also simplifies the cleaning process, ensuring that all parts are thoroughly washed and ready for the next use. For those new to blending or looking to expand their recipe repertoire, the Koios Blender includes a recipe book. This book provides a variety of healthy recipes that can be prepared quickly and easily using the blender. Whether you're making smoothies, shakes, juice, or even baby food, the recipe book offers inspiration and guidance to help you create nutritious and delicious dishes. Conclusion: the Koios Smoothie Blender is a top-notch appliance that combines power, convenience, and versatility. With its 900-watt motor, advanced blade technology, and portable design, it meets the needs of anyone looking to incorporate more healthy beverages into their diet. The user-friendly features, such as the safety mechanism, easy-to-clean components, and recipe book, make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you're in the market for a reliable and efficient personal blender, the Koios Smoothie Blender is an excellent choice that delivers on performance and practicality. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.